So, trying to drain some transmission fluid so I can refill it with some fresh fluid without having to pull the drain pan and all that good stuff. So, got this little boy on Amazon for less than 20 bucks. It connects to your battery and it'll pump the tranny fluid. And I've got it going into an old tea jug. So I'm going to fire it up and here we go. It just connects right down where your dipstick goes. Assuming I got it seated all the way at the bottom. Apparently I do not. There it goes. Yeah, that's not quite the color we want it to be. Seems like I can get about quart and 3/4 out of the pan. So this is my second try today. So anyway, easy way to get it out and just refill it when you're done.